can I make money on blockchain? How can I make money? So they need to they need to understand they can make money, but they just have to learn more.
Right.
And our thing is learn more to earn more.
Yeah.
So while they're waiting for it, that money's not working. But if they could lock it away, if they could give it into a liquidity pool, what happens now is whenever traders use the liquidity pool, because most traders don't use their money or don't use their crypto. They use other people's crypto.
Right.
They will rent that from you. And so you're going to make a percentage anyway from them using it. So if they trade and they make 1 million and you have 3% of it, that's your money. So it's almost like you having, if we look at back to, because I don't want to get too technical, it's almost like you looking at the property. You might have a luxury property in maybe Spain, but you don't rent it out. You just go there when you're ready. And then somebody else next door to you has a rented property, has the same property, but they rent it out daily or weekly. So they're making, apart from waiting for the price to go up, they're making something daily and weekly on that. And that's the same thing with liquidity pools. Instead of you having the crypto and it's empty, the property is empty, it's full and you're making money on a daily basis or weekly basis.
Yeah, that's a good analogy.
Very good, yeah.